This is our first stay at an Airbnb outside of Disney World. Watch to the end and you'll get our full review of the property. We're on the 3rd floor, number 6. So, okay. So we're gonna head up, and there was a code that we had to use to get in. It smells very fresh and clean in here, and ironically, the person that I'm pretty sure was cleaning our unit was getting her in her car when we pulled up, because she was in our parking spot because it's numbered, because we are here 20 minutes before check-in. So that was timed just right. Okay. So we come in. Did you hear the door locked behind us? Cool. So we have a nice little table overlooking the parking lot. Yeah. Okay, I love all the ducks. I love the artwork. High ceilings, which even though it's a very small room, it makes it seem more room because the ceilings are higher. And freezer and fridge, microwave, toaster oven, tea maker, coffee maker. Are you happy, honey? You want to take a look at the coffee maker?
It's amazing.
And look, you have utensils in a tub and plates, dishwashing liquid so that you can go to the bathroom here. So we have USB drives. We have 3 outlets, 2 drawers, closet with some hangers, extra pillows and comforter. I just love how high these ceilings are. And then just a standard. Oh my gosh! Look, hon. So in his culture, this is what they do. The owner's culture. Okay. That's awesome. Have some body wash in here. She did a marvelous job. Look at the toilet, hun. It is, I see no hair in the corners. Everything is so clean. Okay, I'm laughing at the mat though. It's April and we have a Christmas mat, but it's cute. I love just the pictures, all the foul. And so what, do we have a hairdryer or anything? So yes, there is a hairdryer, extra toilet paper, trash, bags, and okay, so just note, just 2 towels. So for future, I need to know that because I use 2 towels myself, one for my hair and one for my body. That leaves no towels for Tom. No, I'm just joking. And look, a little laundry mat. The towels need to go here when we're finished. And I like the way they say, you know, don't remove makeup or polish leather shoes with your towels. And this room is located on the 3rd floor and is a little smaller than the other rooms. And like I said, this room is a little cheaper than the other ones because it is on the 3rd floor. Laundry is not available, and it says the sound insulation effect of this house is not very good. So they're telling you, please don't you know, play loud music, make a lot of noise, because it is going to be heard by other guests. Ouch. All right. So what do you think, hon? 9-minute drive from, I'm sorry, 9 miles from Disney Springs. That's how convenient this is.
Space, you know,
Yeah.
it's
For one night, this is great.
not excited about the luggage up in
No,
but,
no. And there's not a lot of room for us to put our luggage, but we're here one night. It gave us the opportunity to come in a day early, so we actually have more time at the parks when we're actually staying on property when we check in tomorrow. So this will work. So if you stay at this Airbnb, you do have access to the pool. And look, they have a little cart that you can use to take your luggage upstairs, and ties to tie the suitcases to the cart. And less than a minute down the road is a Walmart, so very convenient for an Airbnb stay.
First exit onto Future Way.
So Celebration is less than 5 miles
At the roundabout, take the first exit onto Future Way.
from the Airbnb. I love this. This is so retro looking. Look at this sign. That is so cool.
In a quarter mile.
Good morning. It is Sunday, April 28th, 2024, and it is the day that we check into our Disney resort.
I have a question. What part of Disney are we 9 miles from? Because Disney's really big.
So we came from Disney Springs.
Oh, okay.
So it was 9 miles from
Okay,
Disney
so it's
Springs.
kind of like the far side of Disney, so that's pretty good. So
We're in Kissimmee, by the way. So yeah, we originally, you know, our stay was going to be 5 nights at Bay Lake, and I don't know, maybe a month before, 3 weeks before, I can't remember which, became an opportunity where, oh, I won't have to work that Saturday. Let's go in a day early. So we did. We found an Airbnb for
And we were
only
smart.
$100, which is cheaper than if we stayed at one of the All-Stars. So the only thing we have to do when leaving is take this trash bag out with us, leave it at the trash on our way out. All the towels go into this little basket, which we've done. Other than that, we don't have to do anything else but take our luggage with us.
I would just like to note that as the thoughtful, wonderful husband that I am, I left all the towels for her to put into the basket so she would know that all the towels had made it into the basket and that she hadn't missed anything and would be worried about that.
So I just now read this. Did you read this?
Yeah.
I did. So I was wondering, I was like, what's this all about? Well, they put this curtain here because evidently people had complained that there was light coming in around the door. So they put this really long curtain here that can block the light. So very considerate. Light didn't bother me. Wasn't like it was a lot of light.
So here's the final room review.
What?
Perfectly comfortable. Little table I'm sitting at now. You know, it's not like sitting on a couch, but it's perfectly adequate for morning coffee, checking your emails, and just chilling while your wife snoozes for a couple more hours. Here's the key. Don't pack all your crap in different bags, so you have to bring them all upstairs. Overnight bag. Everything you need, one little bag, and then going up and down the stairs isn't going to suck. Because otherwise, it will. And if you do that, then this little room comes highly recommended.
Little wrap up. We're getting ready to leave. Checkout is at 10. I think I mentioned that check-in was at 4.
Now we might make it.
So the room and everything around is totally as described. He says over and over, this is the 3rd floor. There's a lot of steps. The walls are thin, so if you can't sleep with some background noise, this isn't the place for you. Like, tells you that. If you
We didn't have much.
If you can't carry your luggage up the steps, then this isn't the place for you. Tells you that up front. So everything was as described. The locks on the doors, those are really loud. We could hear other people, you know, because they're automatic. They turn themselves. We could hear other people's locks. So those are loud, but that's not a deal breaker. The bathtub is very small. So I took I wanted to soak in a bath. I brought some bath soak, and, I had to curl my legs up in Indian style. So you would not have been able to take a bath, hon.
I whacked my elbow on the inside handle of the sliding shower doors a couple of times while I was attempting to wash my hair.
Yeah. So again, not a deal breaker, because that bathtub, that bathroom is spick and span. Like, it is not a hair to be found. It was very, very clean. Housekeeping here does an amazing job. Even like when I walked in, you heard me go, oh my gosh, it's the only issue this morning was that our drinks were frozen in the fridge. So, and I remember opening it last night going, yes, finally a cold fridge, because a lot of times you'll open fridge doors and, little fridges in rooms, and they're not very cold. This one was very cold, so cold that it froze the drinks, but that's a good thing, isn't it? And I mean, we would stay here again. I mean, it was one night. It was something that gave us the opportunity to...
With one of those little asterisks and explanations per my earlier review.
That for something very close to Disney for one night, and, downstairs, if I stayed again, I'd want to stay in one of the other rooms to see how much more they were, just because they weren't on the 3rd floor. So we'll see. But so we have several Airbnb reviews on the channel, so check those out. And of course, tons of Disney vlogs, and check those out. Until the next day.